Good morning or good afternoon, ATPF families. My name is Emily Padilla and I'm a volunteer with ATPF. Today I will be reading Big Fish, Little Fish. Eel is shaped just like a snake. He's long and very wiggly. Yellowfish is short and sweet. She's beautiful and giggly. It's race day in the deep blue sea, and slow fish says to fast, even with a big head start, I know I'd finish last. Swordfish says, you cannot hide, watch out, I'm coming in. Hammerhead sneaks out the back and grins a playful grin. Spotted fish swims up, up, up to taste some fresh sea air. Big striped fish dives down, down, down to see who's hiding there. Tiddler is a little fish, while Shark is very big. The two of them are best of friends. They swim a happy jig. The anglerfish has gone to bed. The top one is asleep. The bottom one is wide awake. She reads about the deep. Poor redfish is all alone. He's feeling rather sad. Until some happy friends appear and everyone is glad. Thank you so much.